Welcome to ArtMagic.
Spider-Man is one of the most popular superheroes, loved by kids all around the world. In this fun and easy tutorial, we'll show kids how to draw a cute version of Spider-Man. Follow these simple steps and learn how to create and color your very own Spider-Man drawing. Drawing Spider-Man's head, start by drawing a large, round circle in the middle of your paper. This will be Spider-Man's head. Inside the head, draw two big oval shapes for Spider-Man's eyes. Make sure they are slightly angled towards each other to give that classic Spider-Man look. Below the head, draw a small oval for Spider-Man's body. Connect the head and body with two short lines. Draw two long, curved lines extending from the sides of the body for the arms. At the end of each arm, draw a small circle for the hands. Now it's time to color. Use red for Spider-Man's head, body, and arms. Color the eyes white and the web pattern black. Use blue for Spider-Man's legs and the lower part of his body. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.